Now, for example, I have seen in many families, many mothers will scold their children. If you do not study, you would fail in your exam. You see, if you do not study is a negative word, and you would fail in your exam is a negative word. So, negative words create negative thoughts which would create negative energies. You will understand mostly when I deal with quantum physics and other areas of a brain. But just prima facie, you please understand, instead of saying this to your child, you tell him, if you study well, you will be the Prime Minister of India. If you study well, you can be a judge. If you study well, you can be a leading doctor. There is a difference. Instead of saying you will fail if you do not study well, you say like this: you yourself are responsible to create this positive energy. Without knowing that, you simply blurt out something which is not correct. Always tell the child, very good, excellent, perfect, you are a good child, you are a smiling child, you are an intelligent child. Even if your child does not take food, you just feed him and tell you are a good child, you are a very intelligent child, you are a very obedient child. Instead of telling you are not taking food, take food, otherwise you will not grow, you will not be strong. You see, these not strong, you should say take food, you are going to be very strong. There is a difference. Now, what happens when you spew out these negative words? You are creating a negative field. When you create a negative field, it is only negative magnetism. You will only be attracting negative thoughts, negativity, which is failure, which is depression, which is stress in your own house. You are blowing out all these unwanted words which would only create negativity. You are not realizing that. Some mothers will say, if you do not go to the office, you will get dismissed. If you do not go to the office at the right time, they will mark you absent. Do not use like that. You will be dismissed, you will be marked absent, you will not get promotion. Instead of that, if you by saying, if you go to the office promptly or punctually or on time, you will get promotion. You will be the managing director of the company. You will get job satisfaction. Your peers, your contemporaries in your office, your co-workers, co-staff will appreciate you. You will be a leader in your office. You will be a model, role model to follow for others. See, there is a word for a mother or an elderly person in the house, the way they have to express their opinions. If you do not cross the road properly, a vehicle will come and hit you and kill you, they will say. This is not warranted at all. These are total negative words creating negative emotions. You should tell, be careful while crossing the road. You will cross safely. That is enough. That clue a man can pick up, a person, a human being, whatever his age, can pick up because he is also watching the traffic. There is no necessity for you to drill, inculcate, imbibe all these negative words. By doing that, I am again repeatedly telling you, you are polluting your own house with unwanted negativity. You see, there is a law of buoyancy, that is, every one of us know to swim. Do you know that? Every animal swims, whether it is giraffe or whether it is elephant or whether it is hippopotamus, rhinoceros, big, bulky, bisons, bulky animals, all of them swim, bulky animals too. But we as a human beings do not swim because we think we will get drowned. in our early age, somebody would have told us, if you jump into the water, you will drown. You will not drown. If you jump into the water, taking whatever it is, the air, your head will always come up. It is a fear. It is a negative thought that you will drown, and 1 second you get that fear and then you drown. In 1 second. Actually, you cannot drown. You have to work hard to get drowned. Only the fear can drown you and not the water. That means there is a sense of communication involved, which I am going to delve deeply. If you do not right from your young age listen or speak positivity, positive thoughts, then in the gap you may have negative thoughts, because the atmosphere, the surroundings should be repleted with positive thoughts. That was what that made even Buddha to run away from his palace when he saw negativity. He saw a leper, he saw a dead man, he saw an aged man, and Buddha said, this is what it is. See, negativity in our daily walk of life will spoil us. And negativity starts when? Right from your infancy, right from when you are a small boy, child, a toddler, when the elders in the house. So, elders in the house should know how to communicate. What are the positive thoughts? What are the positive words they should use inside the house, because that would also help them to develop their own positivity. They are not only spoiling themselves, but by speaking negative words, they are spoiling the others, and they are creating a field of negativity inside the house. Anything and everything blaming, anything and everything fighting, anything and everything finding fault, using all wrong words and harsh words, which creates even the house, next in the society, next in the street, next in the town, next in the city, next in the state, next in the entire humanity, in the entire world. This will go, this ripple will grow big. There would be only negativity. And to arrest, you will have to put extra human, superhuman efforts. Though preachers, though books, though discourses does tell, there are lots of pockets in various parts of the world who spew negativity, who spew destruction, who wanted to kill the others, who promote violence, instead of thinking about positive thoughts, lovely thoughts, shunning violence, shunning all this negative communication, verbosity. So, my advice is, even when you think first, before you communicate, you have to think first, and when thinking, try to think only good words. It originates from there. You have to feel positivity. You do not act positivity. You have to feel. That has to be in your gene. That has to be in your mind, and you have to train your mind. You have to be very firm in that smallest infinite seed to know that by thinking positively, by inheriting positivity, you are going to generate positive thinking, positive feel.